The market's starting off on a lower note, not too surprising given the sharp move that we saw at the end of last week. But I think when we sift through it all, we're continuing to see the challenge between two narratives that are really attacking the market. The first, of course, is inflation, and the second is recession. And I think we're going to see both of those duke it out pretty much all week long. And I say that because we've got a lot of key economic data that is coming. Everything from the ISM manufacturing report for June later in the week, the final read on S&P Global's manufacturing PMI as well. But we've also got one of the Fed's preferred inflation metrics, the PCE price index, clocking in for May also later this week. So I think we're going to bounce around a little bit in the beginning of the week, but make no mistake that those dueling narratives are going to come back into play later in the week. And what we learn is really going to shape how the markets move. And it's going to be a little counterintuitive because the worse the data is, the more the market is poised to like that. And the reason I say that is the signs show that the economy is indeed slowing, that inflationary pressures are cooling. The expectation is going to be that the Fed doesn't have to be as aggressive, and that's what we saw really fuel the move higher in the market late last week. But on the other hand, if the numbers are bad, it also means we're going to see some downward pressure on earnings expectations for the second half of the year. So what we learned this week is really going to dictate where the markets go next.